In this video, I'll show you how to quickly add support and resistance in TradingView without drawing lines manually. Start by opening your chart and clicking on indicators at the top. In the search bar, type support. From here, you'll see several different indicators. One example is support and resistance levels with breaks. Click on it, and TradingView will automatically draw support and resistance levels on your chart. Now, if you want to customize them, click on Settings next to the indicator's name. In this menu, you can change the colors of your support and resistance lines, adjust how breaks are displayed, set precision, and even choose whether labels appear on the price scale. This makes it easy to personalize the look of your chart while keeping support and resistance zones clear. You can also try out other support and resistance indicators if you prefer a different style. And that's it! That's how you add and adjust support and resistance in TradingView. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.